Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new Redmi Buds 6. So let's unbox this. And first, here it is the MI branding. You will see here it is Redmi Buds 6, Redmi by Xiaomi. Here it is fast pair in one tap and enable effortless Bluetooth pair with your Android devices, compatible with Android OS 6.0 or higher. Google as a trademark of this. And so let's unbox. Friends, you will see here it is Xiaomi earbuds. Easily customize your earbuds, and here it is the QR scanner. So let's keep it aside. And here it is the user manual. You can just read it, and you will see here is some extra tips there. Here it is the small one, and this is the large one. And you will see here it is the Type-C charging port. Here you can see, friends, Type-C charging port and this earbud. So let's open it. You will see its quality is very good, and you can see it is very lightweight. And you will see here it is Type-C charging port. Here one LED light is there. You will see LED light, and earbud is very lightweight and handy, and it is also magnetic. You can see. So let's connect it with our smartphone. Let's open the Bluetooth, and friends, you can see it is already connected. And here it is the battery percentage. Left bud is 95, right is 95, case is 50% charge. You can see. And let's test the music also. Friends, its quality is very super, and the bass is very good. The volume it has, and it has all features you want. Like it has noise cancellation, 49 dB hybrid active, premium dual driver sound with dual device connection. You can just connect two devices at same time. It has quad mic with AIENC for clear calls. It has a custom +4 EQ sound profiles, and it can you can just put it in air, and you will see it has up to 42 hours of music playback time. That is very good part of this earbud. And it has also an app. You can just simply download it. I will show you in the. Here it is Xiaomi earbud, and here it is connected. You will see there are lots of other things: gestures, audio effects, additional settings, find your earphones. You can see here are app for it. I have given the link in the description. If you want to buy this, you can buy it. I hope this unboxing video you like it. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to our video. Thanks for watching.